Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to see your GitHub password. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you're not already. And once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. In the main page in the upper right corner, we want to get started logging into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can go and sign up for a new one by clicking the sign up button. And once you have gotten your account, we can get started logging in. So by logging in, now we'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you can take a look at our repositories right here. We can take a look at our home info and everything we have and need is right here. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started. Basically, to take a look at your password, this is what we can do. We can go right here into the upper right corner and click on our profile icon. By clicking on your profile icon, it's going to open up this new manage option right here where we can open up our profile. Our profile is going to open up this new section where we can take a look at our profile info. We can edit our profile section and so on. Basically, here we have our username, and to change your password, click on your profile icon again and open up the settings. Open up the settings option right here, and by opening up the settings right here at the left side screen, you're going to go and be able to find password and authentication. So this is going to enable you to take a look at your password and enable two-factor authentication if you want. To change your password, you cannot look at it guys, you can just change it if you know it. So click on change password right here. That's going to enable you to change your password to whatever you want, but you cannot take a direct look at your password as that is a compromise of the security. So just make sure to know it and you can change it right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.